In this video, I'll show you how to get your DocuSign API key step by step. First, go to developers.docsign.com. If you already have an account, click Sign In. If not, select Create Account and choose the free developer account. This gives you access to DocuSign's APIs for testing. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon in the top right and go to Preferences. On the left menu, select Apps and Keys. Now, click Add App and Integration Key. Enter a name for your app, something easy to remember. Then, click Create App. Your integration key, eAPI key, will now be displayed. From here, you can also set up redirect URIs, secret keys, or RSA keys if you plan to use advanced authentication methods like GWT. And that's it. You've got your DocuSign API key ready to integrate with your apps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.